Ayan guys, welcome back again to my channel. Siyempre, another day, another video of stationery haul. This one is Kawaii stationery bundle from Pinks Manila. So, let's do it. I'll show it na. Ang first sa ating stationery haul for this video is this one. This one is Little Milk Ball na washi. So, ang ganda ng quality ng washi tape na to because this one is special ink. Yung ganun yung tinatawag nila na special ink. Then, if you will see it in person, in actual, naka-emboss siya eh. Then, yung print niya, basta matingkad and makapal. So, ayan. Yung mga drawing din is super cute. So, ayan. Mga foods, resto, ganyan. Then, we have memo pads here. Another washi tape. This one is freebie ni seller sa akin. So, yan. This one is Telado. Then, we have Sanrio stickers here. Assorted Sanrio stickers. Wait lang. So, ito. Then, meron pa dito. This one, mga sticker flakes. So, ito may naiwan. May naiba, na One Piece. This one is Hangyodon. Si Hello Kitty. Then, assorted na Kuromi and My Melo. Kuromi again. Then, this one, Sina Moro. And then, another My Melody sticker sheet. Glittery sticker sheet. Memo pad. Meron din ditong mga super cute na Ziploc pouches. So, ayan. We also have Sanrio sticky notes. We have My Melody, Kuromi, Pochako, and Cinnamoroll. And this will be the last, yung SpongeBob blind box figure. These are confirmed blind box. Nabili ko siya nang naka-open na. These are both Patrick kasi eh. So, ito yung isa. Then, the other one is ito. Wait, I'll just open it. This one is also Patrick. So, ayan. So, hoping na makahanap ako ng SpongeBob para may kapartner na si Patrick.